Assalamu alaikum. This is Motaharoni from Dhaka, student of ICT Bangladesh, through online learning software development using Visual Studio and the help of AI. I have made a software that is called the ticketing management system. So today I will show you about the features and the uses of this software. First of all, I would like to describe you about the features of this software. Who can use this software? Who are the basic user for this software? Any kind of transport operator can use this software for their daily operations of their transport or vehicles. So the transport like the bus, train, launch, airlines, any kind of transport they can operate through this software. And for using this software, they must know about the features of this. Using this software, they can manage passengers. They can manage their transport mode. Like this is the mode: bus, train, launch, airline. Or if you have any other transport mode, you can also add here. Just create new and you can add. Then transport route. Under transport route, they can use their transport route. Transport stops they can manage from here. Under vehicle, they can add vehicles. They can add multiple courses under each vehicle. So class seat can be add or modify they need. And they can create seats. They can also class seat under each course. They can also manage or create seat for each class. Then they can make schedule for their daily purpose. They can manage fare from starting point to end point. They can manage booking. They can use or issue ticket. And of course they can add passengers for their records, for their future record, for their future uses. They can manage and store the passengers information. So these are the features for this software of ticketing management system. So I hope this ticketing management system can be easy task for any operator to operate it all over the world. So let's talk about the individual features now. First of all, if you want to add a transport, then you should go the transport menu, and you should click the transport mode first. So when you if these are the transport mode already created by default, 4 categories. So these are by default, but if you want more transport modes you want to add, just click create new and put here the name. So in this way you can add any other for example, if you want to add a truck, you can add like this. You see, I already added here. So like this you can add the transport mode, or you can search from here for if there are multiple. But later on you need to go for transport route, because our transport mode, of course, it will run through a route. Transport mode, when you click, then it will bring into this page, and when you want to add more route, then you just click create new. However, there are 4 routes I have already created for your information. So if you want to add more route, then you just click create new route, and there you will find the transport mode which we already created from their transport mode. And just choose the transport mode. Here you see the truck already added here. So if you want to add any transport mode, just select it, and bus, for example, route name. If you want to add any mode from then just write the route name, then start location, end location, and what is the distance from starting to end, just write it here. And if you want to add the stops point, then you can add, just click add stop, and you can write here the stop point. So it will order automatically from the starting one, and then you can also add arrival time and departure time as usual. So if you want to add multiple stops through the route, then you can add just add stop, then you will get multiple stops to add here. When you just fill all the information or the required information, you just click create, and after clicking create, it will bring here. So in this way you can create the transport routes, and then if you want to see the routes, how it has created, just click details. So this is the details, and these are the stops where in this route where this transport will stop here. So if you want to edit, just click edit, and then you will find how you have filled. So I did not fill the arrival time or departure time. If you want, you can fill it by clicking here and here. And if you want to remove it, any stops you do not keep it there, just remove it. I hope you understand about this route, how to add route, modify route, and delete route. So in later on, I want to show you about the uh, stops individually. If you want to add or modify the stops, then you can also. As I already added these stops, but if you want to add manually, that stops will be available when you choose the route. Just click and then select transport route and the name of stops and the order. First where they the transport or vehicle will stop, then it will order one, and the next one will be two. So in this way you can add the order too. So I hope you understand how to create stops for the transport route manually too. So if you want to see the route, then just click, and if you want to edit, you can edit any options you may there are, so you can edit it by any way. If you want to delete, just create delete from here. So I hope how to add transport mode, transport route, and transport stops, you already got my message from here. And now I want to show you how to add vehicles. Vehicles is under transport. So vehicle, if you want to add there are I already added transport mode, transport name, and total coaches. So the vehicle, of course, it will run under the transport. So if you want to add more transport, just click add vehicles. Sorry, if you want to add vehicles under transport, so then you just click the transport mode, and select the transport mode from here. If anyone, which one you want to select it, for example, if you want to select bus, then bus, and the vehicle name, whatever the transport or vehicle name, or the the Paribahan or company name, you can put here. So if you want to add like this, you can just keep it here. Or if you want to have your own name, just provide here your name, company name of transport, then you just put it here, then click create. So see, this already have so if you do not want to make this same name, so just delete it. So I hope you know how to add vehicles under the transport mode, and then I will show you how to add codes under vehicles. For adding vehicle coaches under vehicles, just create new vehicle coach as like as before. You will get the transport mode for selecting from the transport mode drop down list, and you just select from here as you want. If you want to transport mode for train, then you will find that only for transport mode under the train. You see here only two transport name is available here for intercity and Kopatako Express. If you select the bus, then you will find the other names for the under bus. And if you select for launch, then you will see the launches transport name. And if you select airline, then you will see the airlines only. So this is dynamically you can select for your vehicle courses under transport mode and transport name. So I hope this will help you to identify and manage it the vehicle coaches for your future uses. So so like this, if you want to use for bus for example, and select like Shamoli Paribohan vehicle number, you can say like DHK 12. This is the vehicle number, and the deck or floor one, seating capacity for example 45 or 50 or 60, just keep it here. You see bus Shamoli Paribohan, then vehicle or car number, then seating capacity and the seats, the available seats and the seat available already created here. So I hope you get my point that how to create vehicle courses under vehicles. Now I will show you how to create class-wise seat under each coaches. So let's click there and seat class list. Then if you want to add seat class-wise seat under each coaches, just click create new. Then select transport mode. Bar, if you want to select bus, then vehicle, then Shamoli Paribohan, for example, then you see the vehicle number, and what kind of which class you want to add, just select from here. If it is here, then you just class wise seat, for example 45 total seats I want to set here for 40 for the chair course, chair class. So submit it. So you see 40 class wise seat already created here. So I hope you know get the point that how to create seat class or class wise seat there under coaches and coaches under vehicles. So this is the hierarchy for uses of this software, that vehicles is under transport, and under vehicle coach is there, and under coach seat class or class wise seat is there, and seat of will be in the class wise seat there. So later on I will show you how to add seat from this menu. You, if you want to add seat, then just click add seat, and like the other options, you will just select the select the option for similarly, and you will get the options there, and just add it there. So I want to show you now schedule how to no, I will show you how now about the fare. So you need to set the fare for individual routes and individual transport also. So so that you need to click add new route fare, select transport mode, select transport route, and select vehicle number or vehicle name it is, then class, then base fare for example 300, then additional fare if have, you just put it there, and it is if it is regular, so just pick. Now like this you can add the fare list. So you can manage the fare from here dynamically for each individual vehicle or transport route. So I hope you get that how to add or if add the fare for each transport or transport route or the vehicles. If you want to see the details, you can see from here. If you want to edit, you can edit it. Uh, so if you want to add or modify, just click if you want to see the details, if you want to delete, and if you want to edit, just click edit there. So now I will show you about the schedule for each vehicle. Just click schedule from the menu, and click the add schedule. You see there are 4 schedules already created from here. So add schedule, then transport, select transport name, route name, the vehicle, then departure time. If you want to set from here, then you can set, and if you want to set the arrival time, you can set from arrival time. And how it travels, is it daily or weekly or monthly or custom, you want to set from here. If you want to add multiple options, you can set from here. For example, just click create. You see, already created this one, the schedules. So like this you can add schedules, edit schedules or delete schedules as usual. For making this video shorter, I am not showing you everything. So later on I will I want to show you about the booking. If you want to book a seats, then you just click here and create new booking. You will find the form that ticket type one way, or if there is no options, and but if you want to select return, then you will find there is a return date. And if you want to set the return date, then you can set from here. Then transport mode, which mode, then transport route and schedule time and total fare you can find from here. So if you want to add passengers from here, you can add from here, or if you want to skip it from here, then you can skip it. But if you want to add more passenger, then you need to just click add passenger. Then you will find another options. As much as you want, you just click add passenger, then you will get it. So after completion of the completion of fill up this form, then you just click submit, and it will take you to the index from to show the bookings. I hope you get my point, that how to book a seat. And later on, now I want to show you how to make a ticket. And before make the ticket, I will show you how to add a passenger here. So let's click create passenger and add new passenger. So you will get the form, first name or given name, last name, date of birth. You can select from here the gender for selection, then contact email or nationality. You can add photo from here. So if you want to add photo, then you can select photo from here. Signature you can add from here too. So like this you can select all the information, and emergency contact also you can record here. So now if you want to add address, there is two options for address: permanent address and present address. So if you want to add present address, then you can add present address here. Then after completion of this present address, you can add sorry, permanent address, then you can add present address there. So after completion of these two, then you can add ID details for these individual passengers. Like ID details means like a national ID, passport or driving license, or any other options you want to keep for your records or for ticketing purpose. Then you can add the documents number, ID documents number, then issue date. If there is, you just fill it out, either keep it blank. Then ID image, front side or back side. If you want to keep the both side image, then you can just choose file from here. And if you want to add front side, then you can add back side like this, and fill out the all form or fields. Then you can keep the comments here or note for this clients too. And so how long you will message here, then you can. If you book a ticket for for this passenger, you will find the bookings ID here in the on later. So after completion of this, you can just click create, and then it will automatically create the passenger list here. So I am for saving the time, I am not fill out the form, just pressing cancel, and you will see like this the form will fill up. And if you want to see the details, you can just click here and it will show you. And if you want to see these fields similarly, it will show. So if you don't want to use photos, just keep it blank. No, it will not show you here. But if you want to show the details, then you just click details, and it will show you about the details. And if you want to edit, just you can edit here. So it will give you the edit options. Then if you, after completion of the edit, just click it save. Finally, if don't want, then just back to the list. So in this way you can add passenger. If you want to delete passenger, then just click delete, then it will delete passengers like this. So I hope yeah, you understand about the adding of passenger into the list, so that you can use this passenger for your in your software. So now I will show you the most important part in this software is ticket. So just click ticket, then you will go in this option, then just click create. Select the transport mode, transport route, then schedule time, passenger name you will get from the list, and the seat number, which seat number you want to, it will be dynamically added later if you want. Ticket type whenever return, it will show automatically. Then fare description will display here automatically. Route or the total description you will find it here. So fare ID, it will show the fare now, and ticket status is already booked, so it will booked, and if it is not booked, then it will show the status. And if it is booked, then you can confirm it, and after confirming it you can issue. So then click create. So you see the ticket number will generate automatically by the system, so no need to track the record by yourself. If you want to see the details, you just click here, it will show the details here. So if you want to delete, then you can delete the total option. But if you want to, if you need to cancel the ticket, then just go to edit, and you will find the cancel date options, and you just make this select this and save it. So it will be cancelled for you. So like this you can add ticket. I already show you about the features like transport, vehicle, seat, schedule, fare, booking, ticket, and passenger. Now I will show the last options, which is user and role. Role is the using capacity or accessibility you can set for individuals. So there are four options. If you want to add new, just add here, and it will show you in the list. And the last one is user. You can set the user for this software. And if you want to add new user, just select username, email address, password, and the role which you already add. And if you want to add profile image, then you can select the image. So you will find the image too. So like this you can it will visible like this. I hope you get all the informations for this software. So I think this software can help any kind of transport mode operators for globally. And through online you can track it, you can manage it, and from the by mobile, computer, or tab or laptop, in any way you can use it. Hope this video will help you. And for until any other software update, I will I am mm, waiting for that. And till then, be happy and be safe. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye.